Every piece of dried pineapple begins here, in the tropical fields where golden crowns grow.
Harvest teams move at first light, when the fruit is coolest and firmest. Only fruit with the perfect golden hue makes the cut.
Each picker can harvest over 300 pineapples before noon.
A single twist is all it takes when the timing is right.
Gentle handling preserves the fruit's integrity for processing.
Quality sorting begins right here, before the fruit ever leaves the field. The journey from field to factory begins. Each truckload carries the potential for 20,000 dried slices.
The factory complex lies just 12 kilometers from the harvest zone.
From tropical field to temperature-controlled facility in under 20 minutes.
Bravo Charlie 9er, all secure.
Every delivery is logged and traced back to its exact field.
Each load is documented. Field number, harvest time, fruit count, temperature.
Electric forklifts prevent exhaust contamination in fresh receiving areas.
Phase 1 complete. Now the transformation begins.
Human hands still provide the gentlest transfer method.
Weight tracking ensures accurate yield calculations at every stage. The conveyor system spans 300 meters through the facility. Temperature drops 8 degrees between receiving and sorting. 6 quality checkpoints filter fruit before processing begins.
Each fruit gets 30 seconds of visual inspection.
Rejected fruit becomes livestock feed. Nothing goes to waste.
Grade 8.
Color grading determines processing priority. Darker gold fruits dry faster. Size uniformity ensures even drying times across thousands of slices. High-pressure washing removes field residue without damaging skin.
Forced air drying prevents water from entering the next processing stage.
3 stages: power wash, brush scrub, sanitizing rinse.
Automated trimming achieves consistency impossible with manual cutting.
Crown removal must be precise. Too shallow wastes fruit. Too deep removes usable flesh. Processing happens on the second floor, where air quality is controlled. 400 pineapples enter this floor every hour and leave as 20,000 perfect slices. This single facility processes 12 tons of fresh pineapple every day.
3 buildings, 14 departments, 200 employees working in synchronized shifts.
Beyond processing, this facility includes quality labs, R&D, and visitor education centers.
3 daily shifts keep production running 22 hours, 2 hours reserved for deep cleaning.
Every worker follows a 7-step hygiene protocol before entering production zones.
30-second wash, 15-second dry, double sanitizer application.
Air showers remove microscopic contamination before entering clean zones.
Color-coded navigation prevents cross-contamination between processing zones.
Pineapple, field 7B, 845, bay 3, temperature 14 degrees C.
Temperature chain verification ensures fruit quality from field to processing.
8 deliveries arrive daily, each tracked from origin to final position.
Cold storage holds 48 hours of inventory at controlled temperature.
Automated storage rotates inventory by harvest time. First in, first processed.
Solar arrays provide 30% of facility power during peak production hours.
94% of waste is either compost for farm return or processed into animal feed.
The QC lab tests 200 samples per shift across 12 quality parameters.
All processing water is treated, recycled, and reused. Facility uses 6% less water than industry standard.
20,000 visitors annually learn how modern food processing combines tradition with technology.
From this vantage point, you can see where science meets traditional craftsmanship.
Now, let's return inside where pineapples continue their transformation into golden dried perfection. Durghatna.
Full PPE and hygiene protocols protect product integrity at every touchpoint.
Every pineapple undergoes 6 additional quality checks after initial receiving.
Ultraviolet inspection detects surface contamination invisible to the naked eye. Experienced inspectors catch what automated systems miss. The human eye remains essential.
Pressurized water removes microparticles while preserving the protective outer skin.
Rapid hot air drying prevents bacterial growth during the next processing stages.
Food-grade sanitizer eliminates 99.9% of surface microorganisms.
Weight classification ensures processing equipment receives uniform fruit sizes. Diameter tolerances within 2 millimeters guarantee uniform slice thickness.
Perfect stem removal creates the foundation for precise peeling.
Both ends must be precisely parallel for the peeling machine calibration.
Vertical orientation is verified to within 1 degree before peeling.
X-ray technology reveals internal rot or voids that external inspection cannot detect.
Weight, 3 kilogram. Diameter, 15 centimeters. Inspection results, pass.
300 fruits wait in the queue. Each will be peeled in under 90 seconds. Computer-controlled blades adapt to each fruit's unique shape in real time. Peels become livestock feed supplement, high in fiber and natural enzymes.
Confirmed.
Optical inspection ensures zero skin residue reaches the slicing stage.
Each core weighs approximately 100 grams, 12% of total fruit weight. The fibrous core must be removed, and it's too tough to dry properly. 12 razor-sharp blades slice 1 pineapple in 4.2 seconds. Perfect 8 millimeter thickness, the ideal dimension for even drying.
Single-layer arrangement is critical. Stacked slices dry unevenly.
Removing excess juice reduces drying time by 30%.
Fresh juice extracted during processing becomes premium ingredient for other products.
Each mesh tray can hold precisely 48 rings in optimal spacing.
Human inspectors provide the final quality checkpoint before drying begins.
Proper spacing allows hot air circulation around every surface of each slice.
20 trays per cart, nearly 1,000 slices moving together toward transformation.
Staging ensures continuous flow. As one batch exits the dryer, another enters immediately.
Inside these chambers, science and patience turn fresh fruit into golden preservation.
In the first 30 minutes, surface moisture evaporates while cellular structure stays intact. Temperature uniformity within 2 degrees ensures every slice dries identically.
Forced convection moves hot air at 12 meters per second across every surface.
90 minutes in, the slices have lost 30% of their original moisture.
Thousands of liters of water vapor exit the facility every hour as fruit transforms.
Constant rotation prevents hot spots and ensures uniform heat distribution to all 100 carts.
At the 3-hour mark, the pineapple has reached its critical transformation phase.
Continuous moisture monitoring prevents overdrying, which destroys natural sugars and flavor.
Experienced operators spot subtle differences that automated sensors might miss.
Final 90 minutes focus on achieving perfect texture, not too brittle, not too soft.
Gradual cooling prevents thermal shock, which could crack the delicate dried slices.
6 hours transformed fresh fruit into preserved golden perfection, shelf-stable for 18 months.
Unloading team responding to dryer 1.
Digital records capture every parameter, proving quality and ensuring traceability.
Safety protocols require careful depressurization before human entry to hot chambers.
Perfect batch. From this chamber alone, 46,000 perfectly dried slices ready for the final stages.
Human hands transfer to robotic precision. Automation takes over from here.
Rapid controlled cooling preserves the crisp texture while preventing condensation.
Artificial intelligence selects samples randomly, eliminating human bias from quality control. 8 cameras capture 200 data points per slice in less than 1 second. 8 cameras capture 200 data points per slice in less than 1 second. Robotic unloading processes 1,000 slices in under 4 minutes.
Smart conveyors route 50,000 slices daily without a single manual decision.
Size sorting happens at 12 slices per second with 99.4% accuracy.
X-ray inspection sees through every slice, detecting contamination down to 1 millimeter in size.
Target weight, 3 grams, indicating perfect moisture removal and preservation. Machine learning trained on millions of images identifies defects faster than 50 human inspectors.
Every slice is tracked digitally, from the field it grew in to the package it will ship in.
Robotic logistics move 5 tons of product per hour without damaging a single slice.
Each slice carries its complete history in a code smaller than a grain of rice. Automated inventory ensures materials arrive exactly when needed. Never early, never late.
Artificial intelligence coordinates 200 machines as one synchronized organism, adapting in real time to maintain perfection.
Packaging begins with conditioning, stabilizing moisture content for optimal shelf life. 45 minutes of controlled atmosphere brings every slice to identical moisture equilibrium.
Human eyes provide the final checkpoint. Machines detect flaws, but humans recognize perfection.
Optional sugar treatment enhances sweetness for specific markets, still using only natural ingredients.
Infrared heat sets the sugar coating in seconds, creating the signature glossy finish. Every package contains precisely the promised weight, accuracy guaranteed to 1/10 of a gram.
Multi-layer barrier film blocks oxygen and moisture, the key to 18-month shelf life. Form, Fill, Seal technology creates and fills 60 packages per minute from continuous film.
Nitrogen atmosphere prevents oxidation, keeping dried fruit golden and fresh for months.
Precision labeling at highway speeds. Perfect placement on every package, every time.
Every 100th package undergoes destructive seal testing, ensuring barrier integrity in every batch. Checkweighers verify the promise on every label. Consumer trust built one package at a time. Every code connects to complete traceability, from field to consumer in 2 seconds of scanning.
Artificial intelligence inspects package appearance faster than human eyes can blink.
Robotic packing arranges 24 packages in 17 seconds. Precision and speed impossible for human hand.
From individual slice to sealed shipping carton, fully automated in under 8 minutes.
Every batch faces rigorous testing before it can leave the facility. Quality is never assumed. Laboratory protocols prevent any cross-contamination from production to testing areas.
This accredited laboratory runs 53 different tests on every production batch.
Moisture content determines shelf life. Too high allows microbial growth. Too low creates brittleness. Water activity below 0.7 creates an environment where harmful bacteria cannot survive.
Microbiological testing detects invisible threats, protecting consumers from foodborne illness.
6 different microbial tests, each targeting specific pathogens that could compromise safety. Now begins the waiting. Bacteria colonies require time to reveal their presence.
Chemical analysis verifies nutritional labels. Accuracy required by law, maintained by science.
Gentle drying preserves 8 to 7% of vitamin C, proof that processing retains nutrition.
Texture testing ensures consistent eating experience. Crispy, but not brittle. Chewy, but not tough.
Color measurement removes subjectivity. Golden brown quantified in precise numerical values.
Trained human palates detect nuances no machine can measure. The final authority on quality.
Daily metal detector verification, the safety system that must never fail.
Negative results for pathogens, the ultimate confirmation that product is safe for consumption. Every batch saved as insurance, ready to investigate any customer concern months after shipment.
Always. Quality approval unlocks the warehouse gates. No batch moves forward without laboratory confirmation.
Batch 447B approved for release. All quality parameters met.
Quality approved. From laboratory to loading dock.
156 cartons from a single batch, bound for 12 different countries. Robotic precision stacks 48 cartons in 90 seconds. Every box perfectly aligned for shipping stability.
Stretch wrapping protects against moisture and tampering during international transit.
Every label carries the complete shipping story, from this facility to the customer's warehouse door.
20,000 square meters of climate-controlled storage. Inventory organized by destination and ship date.
Automated inventory tracking knows the location of every pallet down to the exact rack position.
Climate control never sleeps, protecting product quality every minute until it ships.
Orders flow continuously, from customer click to warehouse pick in under 5 minutes.
Voice technology keeps hands free and eyes focused. Error rates below 1 in 10,000 picks.
This single container carries enough dried pineapple to supply a retail chain for 3 months.
Security sealed and documented, this container won't open again until it reaches the customer 10,000 kilometers away.
From harvest to highway, complete traceability maintained through every single step.
And this is how modern factories produce dried pineapple from start to finish, from tropical fields to your table.
Factory Systems Pro, where every slice tells a story of innovation, quality, and the journey from nature to nourishment. Subscribe to Factory Systems Pro for more real factory breakdowns, where we show you exactly how the products you use every day are really made.